This is a book you must read. It's called Another Slam Dunk. When man says no, God says yes. It's a book that my sister Tammie Lewis-Mass wrote a few years ago. It's a story of her life and a story of what happened to her son in September of 2011. Stephen was without a heartbeat for over 20 minutes, and the doctors and nurses, they didn't think it was possible for him to survive this. But with the prayers of her family and friends, Stephen made it through. And this is a couple of weeks after the incident. You can see Stephen here, he's trying to shoot the basketball. But if you look to the right and left, you see the photo of him slamming a ball. And this was probably a year earlier. He was doing all of this dunking and everything, but now he can barely dribble a ball. And the doctors, they did all the scans and everything, and they said the right side of his brain is completely dead. And as of today, which is 2019, his brain is still dead on the right side, but it's amazing of the stuff that he can do. And you can see him struggling to shoot the ball. He can't even throw the ball. And this is a week later right here. You see him dribbling the ball. It's amazing how fast he's recovered from this. 2019, you can see him here dancing with his auntie. We call her the crazy auntie. She liked to have fun. And as you can see, he made almost a full recovery. And if you would like to purchase this book or read this book, you can look in the links below in the description, or you can visit my sister's website at www.anotherslamdunk.com. That website again is www.anotherslamdunk.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.